Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious cabbage. And if you haven't had my cabbage, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And make sure you wash your cabbage off after you cut it up, okay? So it won't be no parasites and none all in your food. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red crushed peppers, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 whole onion, 1 whole red bell pepper, and 1 whole yellow bell pepper, or 1 whole green bell pepper of your choice. And of course, your smoked meat of your choice, and your cabbage. And when I get everything ready, I'll be right back. And now, I'm about to show you how to saute your vegetables and your meat. First, you want to put your onions and bell peppers in there. Then you want to put your meat in there. Saute all your meat and bell peppers. Put your 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and your 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Saute your meat first. And when this gets done sauteing, I'll be right back to show you the next step. And now I'm about to show you how to put your cabbage in your pot. I already sauteed my vegetables and my meat. Now put the cabbage in there. Look at that. All your cabbage is in there. Put your 3 tablespoons of sugar up in there. That's what you do for that. And you put your 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Flavors upon flavors, like I always tell y'all. And your 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And just mix it all together just like that. You don't have to put no water in here because cabbage makes its own water. And it's going to wilt down. And when the cabbage, just mix everything together. When the cabbage is done, it will be nice and soft and wilted down. And it's going to take about a good 45 minutes for it to be a nice and tender cabbage. We're building flavors upon flavors. Mix it around just like that. And when this cabbage is done, I'll be back to show you the finished product. And I cooked my cabbage for about 25 minutes. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious cabbage. Look at it, y'all. It looks good.
Tasty.
It smells good. And I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. And tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.